My name is Mashonda Kennard. Today I'm going to do my presentation on the acacia ant with the swollen thorn acacia tree. Objectives. My first objective is giving some background information about the acacia tree. My second objective is some background information about the acacia ant. My third objective is symbiotic relationship. What type of relationship between the acacia ant and the acacia tree? My fourth objective, the benefits of the acacia tree. My fifth objective is some benefit of the acacia ants. My sixth objective is some disadvantages of the acacia tree. The swollen thorn acacia tree. It is known as the bullhorn acacia. It's a type of shrub or deciduous tree. It can grow up to the height of 40 feet or higher. It's native of Central America. It also have long, strong, and swollen thorns. The thorns, as you can see in this picture, are grouped in pairs at the base of the leaves and are connected at the base and pointed in opposite direction, which look like the horns of a bull. Some interesting facts about the acacia tree. There are over 800 species of acacia. The leaves are an important source of food for camels, goats, giraffes, and cattle. The water-soluble gums used as a thickening agent in frozen dessert. The flower of acacia are used in the industry of perfumes and cosmetics. The wood of acacia is used for flooring, furniture, toys, jewelry, and tools. Acacia has a short lifespan between 15 to 30 years. An interesting fact about the thorns is the thorns of the swollen acacia are commonly used to make necklaces and belts, and in El Salvador it provides the legs of small ballerina seeds dolls which could be worn as a decorative pin. On your left hand side you can see the necklace that's made of thorns, and on your right hand side you can see the doll of the ballerina made of seeds. The acacia ant. These ants has an orange-brown body. They are known as the wasp-like ants. They are 3 millimeters in length and they have very large eyes. And here's a picture on your left hand side. What type of symbiotic relationship does the ant and the acacia tree have in common? They have a mutualism relationship. It is defined when two different species or organisms exist in a relationship in which they derive benefit from each other. How does this relationship evolve? The mutualistic relationship is established when a newly mated queen is attracted to a tree by its odor and start nesting inside the hollow acacia thorns. The queen ant lays about 15 to 20 eggs to produce the first generation of workers. As the colony gets larger, more thorns become inhibited, and when the colony reaches around 400 or more individuals, this is the point where the ant begins to protect the plants. So the mutualistic relationship starts at this time. So this is when the tree and ants benefit from each other. A quick side note, ant and plant mutualism is not rare, with at least 100 other species of plant and ant exhibiting this relationship. How do ants benefit? In this mutualistic relationship, benefits outweigh the cost. So, first thing is shelter. The ant hollow out the thorns and live in them. These shelters is called little houses. These hollow thorns protect the ants from difficult climatic conditions. As you can see, the first picture on the left hand side where the ants have laid their larvae inside, and that is the thorn, and they houses they larvae in there until they hatches. Food is another way that ants are benefited by the acacia tree. The acacia give the necessary nourishment to the ants, which live on it, will provide them with belting bodies, are red and yellow in color, and are found on the tip of the leaflets of the acacia. They are a great source of nutrients as they are rich in protein and lipids. Also, they doesn't have no necessary benefit for the acacia tree. They're only there to help benefit the ants. Last but not least is the nectar. The nectar is another source which help benefit the ant. The nectaries are found towards the base of the petioles of the acacia tree. The ant feed on the sweet carbohydrate-rich nectar secreted by the nectaries and gain the energy that they require to stay alive. How do the acacia tree benefit? Number 1. Protection against insects. The ants do not harm the acacia tree, but there are several insects which cause harms to the acacia by getting food and shelter. The ant help by protecting the tree by killing all other insects that try to occupy the acacia thorns. The ant quickly react by start stinging the insects while consuming the leaves of the acacia. Finally, after putting up a fight, the insect either give up or dies. Number 2, the ant also defends against herbivores. So the question is, how do these small insects protect the tree from herbivores? So when the herbivore try to eat the leaves of the acacia, they cause the branches to move, and this acts as a signal to the ant living in the hollow thorns. So the ant will start attacking the herbivores by stinging them in the mouth. When bullhorn acacia is wounded, it releases a chemical into the air as an alarm signal that the ant detects and responds to rapidly. The ant releases an alarm pheromone whenever a threat is detected and rush out of their thorn in great numbers. Scientists think that other animals can smell the pheromone and avoid the acacias, and this helps keep the leaves intact. Some disadvantages of the acacia tree. Number 1. Diseases. The acacia tree are very open to various diseases that can make them look unattractive. So acacia rust occur when a fungus infects a plant, causing a dark brown fungal spores to cover the plant's leaves. The fungal spores are easily spread through wind, which can affect other plants. Now scientists have found that ants also help keep harmful leaf pathogen in order. Ants can greatly reduce bacterial abundance on surface of leaves and has a very positive effect on plant health. So studies have shown that symbiotic bacteria colonizing the ants inhibited pathogen growth on leaves. Another disadvantage would be thorns. Being thornless and without ants, the acacia show itself vulnerable and life-threatening when compared with a normal protected tree. The last and not least disadvantage would be invasive properties. Many acacia species have aggressive root system or produce a large number of variable seeds, both of which allow the plant to quickly invade the soil outside their growing area.